I believe in myself and my abilities. I am worthy of respect and love. I am confident in my unique talents and skills. I deserve to be happy and successful. Every challenge I face is an opportunity to grow. I trust myself to make the right decisions. I am proud of who I am becoming. I have the courage to be myself. I am enough, just as I am. My potential is limitless. I am resilient and can overcome any obstacle. I radiate confidence and positivity. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am grateful for my strengths and abilities. I choose to focus on my progress, not perfection. I am in control of my thoughts and feelings. I trust in my ability to navigate life's challenges. I deserve to take up space and have my voice heard. I am confident in my ability to learn and grow. I am deserving of all the good things life has to offer. I release self-doubt and embrace self-belief. I am brave enough to take risks and embrace change. I celebrate my achievements, no matter how small. I am constantly evolving and improving. I trust the process and my journey. I am proud of my efforts and determination. I choose to see the best in myself. I attract positivity and confidence into my life. I believe in my ability to succeed. I am a unique and valuable individual. I am deserving of my dreams and aspirations. I trust my intuition and inner wisdom. I am fearless in the face of challenges. I am strong, capable, and confident. I choose to embrace self-compassion. I am worthy of pursuing my passions. I am in charge of my own happiness. I am grateful for the qualities that make me unique. I am capable of handling whatever comes my way. I let go of fear and embrace courage. I am a powerful and confident creator of my life. I am worthy of respect from myself and others. I am open to new opportunities and experiences. I trust that I am exactly where I need to be. I celebrate my individuality and authenticity. I am worthy of achieving greatness. I am confident in my ability to adapt and thrive. I choose to see challenges as opportunities for growth. I am proud of the progress I've made so far. I am deserving of love, kindness, and support. I believe in my ability to inspire others. I am fearless in expressing my true self. I am enough, and I always have been. I am confident in my ability to solve problems. I trust in my ability to make wise choices. I am bold and courageous in pursuing my dreams. I am grateful for my resilience and determination. I embrace my strengths and accept my flaws. I am worthy of the life I desire. I am confident in my ability to achieve my goals. I am deserving of success and happiness. I radiate self-confidence and self-worth. I trust in my ability to create a fulfilling life. I am unstoppable in achieving my dreams. I release self-doubt and step into my power. I am proud of the person I am becoming. I am enough, exactly as I am. I embrace my imperfections as part of my uniqueness. I am confident in sharing my talents with the world. I am strong, courageous, and resilient. I am grateful for my journey and personal growth. I choose to focus on the good in myself. I am worthy of respect and admiration. I trust in my ability to navigate challenges with grace. I am deserving of all the success I desire. I am proud of my uniqueness and individuality. confident in the value I bring to the world. I am fearless in pursuing my passions. I am enough, and I always will be. I am strong and capable of achieving my dreams. I embrace self-love and self-compassion. I am worthy of living a fulfilling and joyful life. I am grateful for my courage and determination. I trust myself to make the best decisions for me. I am a magnet for confidence and positivity. I am fearless in stepping outside my comfort zone. I celebrate my progress and growth every day. I am proud of all that I am and all I will become. I am confident, capable, and worthy of success. I am deserving of love, joy, and abundance. I choose to be kind and compassionate to myself. I am enough, and I am worthy of all good things. Thank you for joining me on this journey to attract wealth and abundance. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new content. Your support means the world to me.